Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna explain what is WSL2 is and what is used for, the benefits of using it, and I will also show you how to install it quickly and easily. Okay, whether uh, whether whether you're a developer, a student, or just want to run Linux on Windows without the hassle, stick around. Okay. Um, so what is WSL2? WSL2 stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2. Okay, it basically lets you run a full Linux environment inside Windows like an app. Okay, you get access to the Linux terminal. You can install packages or run servers, compile code, all without setting up a virtual machine or dual boot. Okay, and the cool part, it uses it uses a lightweight virtual machine that is super integrate integrated with Windows. Okay, so which is the benefits of WSL2? You can run Linux and Windows side by side and share files between them. Uses fewer resources than a full VM. Uh, Great for web development, Python, Docker, and more. Uh, you can use VS Code directly inside WSL for a smooth dev experience. Okay, you can do nearly native performance for Linux apps and more and more. Okay, um, so let's get hands-on. Okay, how to install WSL2? It's very simple. Okay, first of all, you need to open your PowerShell as a demonstration and run the code WSL install. Okay, and after that, we will update the Ubuntu and the WSL. Okay, so after installed, like this message sent here, uh, you can open the Ubuntu here. Uh, you search for Ubuntu in your computer and just open that, and that's it. This is Ubuntu, and you can search code with Linux by here. Okay, guys. That's it, I think. So uh, okay, it's very important. After the step one, to after you install WSL, you need to restart your computer if prompted. Okay, and after the reboot, a terminal will open asking you to create a Linux username and a password in the Ubuntu. Okay, that's it. Now you now running Linux inside Windows. Okay, guys. So what do you think? Now you know what is WSL2, why it's awesome, and how to get it running fast. Okay. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you else you would like to learn. Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Thank you, guys.